Okay, this video is about the iXL Level H Y7 identifying terms and coefficients. We had a video earlier on the difference between terms and coefficients, and terms are any part of an expression or equation that is not an add, subtract, multiply, or divide sign, and it is not an equal sign. So if I'm looking at this here, 5 plus 10v, v is our variable, but that is one term altogether, and then the number 5 is another term. So I am not counting the plus sign because that is an operation. So I'm looking at two terms here, the 5 and the 10v. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 2 here. And then the next question is asking about what is the coefficient of the second term. So first I have to go and look how many terms do I have. I have a 1, I have an x, and I have a w squared. So I have 3 terms here, 1, 2, 3, but I need to look at the second term, and then it's asking what is the coefficient of the second term. Now coefficients, we said, are the numbers that come before the variable, before the letter. So I'm looking for the number that comes before the letter. And this is a unique situation here because we have the variable x and there is nothing in front of it. So when that happens, we have like an imaginary 1. So in this case, I'm just going to put a 1 because I only have one x. So anytime that happens, the same thing would happen with the w in my third term. That would be a 1. It's just understood that we don't have to write the 1 down there because it would just be extra work. And then we'll take a look at one more problem. How many terms are there in the expressions? Below, I have 3x is a term, 2y is a term, and 1 is also a term because I'm not counting those addition signs. So I have 3 terms here. Okay. Remember, if you run into trouble when you first log on to your iXL, that there should be an option up here where you can click on it and it'll give you a little tutorial. You can also, if you're not sure about the question, just type in a number, and when you get the answer wrong, it will give you an explanation. It'll explain to you why it's incorrect. It'll show you the answer that you gave. And then what's really cool about this is it explains to you the definition of a term, and then it gives you a really good example. So here it's telling me the first term is 6k, the second term is 5n. So there are 2 terms. I typed in 4, but now I get it. So if you have any other questions, go ahead and email me and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope this video helped you out.